Hi, everybody. My name is Joe, and today we're going to introduce you briefly to R and RStudioCloud. I'm going to share my screen so you can see what I see. Now, what I would like you to do is open up a new internet browsing tab and open rstudio.cloud. This will take you to an online platform and a cloud server, which will do a whole lot of computation and computing for you. It'll ask you to make an account if you don't already have one. It's completely free and only takes a second. Please do so if you haven't already. Under the free version of RStudio Cloud, you can have up to 15 projects simultaneously saved for free. So we're not going to use anywhere near that number in this class. That'll be plenty. I'm going to open up this project I have called Demo. To start a new project in RStudio Cloud, hit this blue button called New Project here in the top right. When I click on my demo project, it'll be retrieved from the cloud, and here we see 4 different windows. In the top left, this is our script editor. It works a lot like a word processor where we can copy and paste and type and delete our code at will. When we run a bit of our code, that bit of code and its output is printed here in the bottom on the console. Whenever we create new objects, they show up here on the top right in our environment. And whenever we generate images or need to look up specific information, that'll appear here in the bottom right. So, like I said, R is a programming language, and R is so flexible it can do just about anything you ask it to do. You don't need to know anything about computer programming to be successful in this class. We're going to take baby steps through this material and go real slow. Just as a demonstration of what R can do and the kind of things we're going to be talking about, here in line number 1, I have 5 times 17, and R at its heart is a calculator. When I run that line, I'm given down here the command I entered, 5 times 17, and the result of 85. We can also create new variables, name them whatever we want, and call upon them later to do different functions. Here you see this variable named new variable created in my environment. We can also view entire data sets as spreadsheets. We can then manipulate those spreadsheets in order to make sure that our data sets are tidy and in an organized kind of fashion the way we want them to. We can also run statistical calculations on different variables, like finding the correlation between 2 different variables within a data set. And if we're having trouble finding just the right function that we want to do, we can download new functions and install new packages, a lot like downloading a new app for your phone to increase its functionality. And all of these new capabilities are almost endless with what we can really do with R. More complicated functions like this one here can even create visualizations of our data and the relationships between them. We're going to take baby steps into R and learn it together. We're going to scratch the surface this semester so that if you ever continue forward in your studies, this will be a tool at your disposal. My name is Joe, and I look forward to working with you again.